Hey everybody, it's Miss A, and I am here with a video on how to obtain your Jeopardy for math, just in case you've forgotten. So what we do is we go into Google Chrome, and giving it a minute, you're going to go into office.com. And then once you come to office.com, mine defaults to your organization account. But if it didn't have that in there, you have to put in your lunch number at hcps.net. If you don't put hcps.net, it'll ask you for your phone number because it won't direct you correctly. And then you put in your password, which is your lunch number with Lion. We all know that, and all the kids know that. So once you're in Office, you go into your OneDrive, this button right up here. What that does is that opens up everything that's for your account. And once we go into OneDrive, everything open here. There's these three lines up here at the top. You click on those, and that opens up your sorting bins with files, recent, and shared. You're going to click on shared. And in shared, you will find the document. It will default to shared with me. Click on it. It defaults to shared with me, so that's whomever sent you stuff. And you will find the PowerPoint that I sent, which mine says EOY Math Jeopardy. It happens to say 4th grade FSA Math in here, but you click on the document, and it will bring up the document, and you review it right online like you would. You don't have to open it up in PowerPoint. You can review it right in here, and I will go ahead and quickly go through all the questions just in case someone's office isn't working, or maybe they don't have access to this, but they definitely have access to YouTube. So we've got our operations and algebraic thinking for 10. A bowl can hold 6 oranges. If a produce clerk has 68 oranges, she wanted to put equally into bowls. How many oranges could be in the last bowl that isn't full? 20. A cafe in town needs to buy 20 new napkin rings. If each box has 3 napkin rings in it, how many boxes will they need to buy? A middle school had 22 people sign up for an after-school game club. If they wanted to have 7 teams with the same number of students on each team, how many more students would they need to sign up? The first number in the pattern is 80. The pattern follows the rule divided by 2. Complete the table to show the next 3 numbers in the pattern. The school cafeteria sells large chocolate brownies for $3 each, with each brownie having 1,246 calories. If you bought 6 brownies and took 4 days eating them, with you eating the same amount each day, how many calories would you consume a day? If you only ate brownies, they're asking. Number and operations in base 10. Round 322,967 to the nearest hundreds. An addition problem is shown. Calculate the sum. Enter the missing digit to complete the subtraction statement. That's what's missing right here. The value of the 4 in the number 42,780 is 10 times the value of the 4 digit in which number? Round 2,399 to the nearest 10. Oops. Find the equivalent fraction to 10/40ths. Find the equivalent fraction to 18/27ths. Joanne wants to make some cupcakes for school. Her recipe calls for 3/4 cup of sugar. If she's making 8 batches of cupcakes, how much sugar will she need? John's jump rope is 7 2/5 feet long. Jill's jump rope is 4 4/5 feet long. How much longer is John's jump rope than Jill's? Select all the fractions that are equivalent to 0.8. Multiple items, multiple prices. The table below shows the prices of several items in a basketball game. If you have $5 when you went to the game, if you bought 1 soda, what is the most expensive item you could buy with the money you have left? You have $5 when you visit the store. If you bought 1 whiteboard marker, what is the most expensive item you can buy with the money you have left? You have $5 when you went to the market. If you bought 1 grapefruit, what is the most expensive item you can buy with the money you have left? Teacher bought 4 planners at Office Depot. If each planner cost $2.25 and she paid with a $20 bill, how much change would she get back? Your teacher bought 5 crates at Walmart. If each crate cost $3.45 and she paid with a $20 bill, how much change would she get back? Geometry. Determine the angle is shown below. Determine the measure in degrees of the angle shown. What are all the angles in the yellow figure? So here, 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 and here. What are all the names of the type of this? What are all the names of this type of triangle? So it's one answer because each answer has 2. And what is the measure in degrees of the missing angle? Hope this helps.